Hello, in this Kotlin exception handling video, we are going to look at a nested try block. So first of all, let's create some arrays. So I'm going to say array 1 equals int array of, and I'm going to put a bunch of values. So I will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, for example. And I'm going to say var array 2 equals int array of, and we'll put some more values like 1 comma 0 5 0. We'll leave it at that. That's fine to demonstrate it. If we have our simple first try block and then we have a catch, obviously the catch it, you can make it specific for your example. So I'm going to say error, and this is going to be array index out of bounds exception. It will all make sense in a moment. I'm going to create a for loop, and this for loop is going to be item in array 1 dot indices. So in here we're going to have another try catch block. And here, what we're essentially going to do is print something out. We are going to print out the first array, so array 1, and we are going to use that as the index value. And be .to string, so it's going to convert this to a string. Then we are going to essentially do division here, plus, but this is just formatting it to show what it will look like. And the next part is array 2, and again it's just of item plus, and we're going to say equals the actual result, and the result will be array 1 item divided by array 2 item. And now we just need to handle some error, and the error we're going to handle is arithmetic exception, and we are going to print line please no division by 0. So if we save that and let's see what we get. Okay, so we get a few different things. So first of all, we get 1 divided by 1 is 1. Please no division by 0. So the second one is 2 divided by 0, which gives you an error. 3 divided by 5 is 0. By thinking, why is it 0? Because it's doing integer division, so you're losing precision, but that don't matter, that's fine. And then again, 4 divided by 0 is 0. And also, here I never actually printed anything out. I'm going to print line, and I'm just going to say array sizes do not match. So if I run this now, the only difference is we should get an extra print line. So I'll scroll up, so we get the same stuff, but when we get to here, we've done 4 divided by 0, which gives us please no division by 0, but then it's trying to do 5 divided by the 5th element here, or at index 4, because that's complete to start at 0, but there's nothing here. So it says array sizes do not match. So this is a great example of where you might want to use a multiple try catch block. The first try catch block is just checking if you are within the bounds of the arrays. The second try catch block within the for loop, it doesn't have to be within the for loop, it could be, it's totally up to you depending on the scenario, handles the arithmetic exception of division by 0, and these can have multiple catch blocks as well. So that's how you do nested try catch blocks. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.